Uh, guys, I want to upload something. I literally, I was done with this video. Like literally, I've explained it, and I was using TradingView to do the video because yeah, obviously I don't have a setup. I don't have money to buy everything yet. So I've done it, then I deleted it. I don't know why. Well, let's go with it again. So I'll show you how I did everything. Like I said, I trade the retracement of this 4 hour break of structure. I trade the retracement down here and I got like over 24 R, but it ended up running for more than 30 R. So now every time market break structure, we are always waiting for what? A retracement. So I've learned market structure and I've learned how to trade what? That retracement, and it is working what? Perfectly. So I trade the retracement and I got like 24 hours, as I've said earlier. Don't know why I'm repeating it, but it's good. So now it has retraced now to the premium, because what I do always is after the break of structure, I want market to retrace 50 pips on the 4 hour on GBP for me to confirm that as what? A retracement. If it trades, if you retrace 49 pips and break structure, that is not a retracement for me. I must wait for it to what? Retrace what? 50 pips. So as you can see, it retraced 50 pips and it hasn't broken the structure, so we are still what? Very much bearish. So I'm waiting for it to come to the premium before I trade it. So as you can see, from the low down to the high, sorry, this is my entry line. From the low down to the high, see it has crossed what? The 50%. So it's in the premium. So now I'll be looking for what? I'll be looking for sales. So now once price is in my premium, I'll wait for what? A 15 minutes change of character or a break of structure. But I'm okay with the change of character to trade it. I'm okay to trade what? A change of character. I'm very okay with that. I don't need to see a break of structure. So a change of character happened right here. Let me explain this. So listing, this is what happened. Now market structure is very essential. That's what I'm saying. In market structure, you have to pay attention to the little details in everything. Candlestick too matters on market structure. That's how I trade. So you can see it moved here, formed an inside bar. So on the lower time frame, that's a retracement. Moved up again, formed another lower low, then moved up, then broke this structure. Now it's weekly. Now I'm very okay to trade a week. Why? Because it is in the premium. It is in the premium. If it was in the discount, I wouldn't have looked at that. I would have waited for what? A an M15 boss. But since it's in the premium, I'm okay with this chalk and I'm okay with the candle wick chalk. I don't want to say candle closure. I'm okay with the candle wick. So that's what I'm saying. So after I saw this chalk, this is what happened. I said, okay, what caused this chalk? What moved this price to cause this chop? Now as you can see, it was this move right here. So now I was looking at this zone to trade. I was looking at this zone now to trade the sell from. So once I saw it, I drew my supply zone. Then I waited for price to retrace into it. Price retrace. Then I dropped down to the what? 1 minute. Drop down to the 1 minute. As you can see, we are already in what? Massive profits. I dropped down to the 1 minute. After dropping down to the 1 minute, now this is what I said in the previous video before I deleted it. I don't know why I'm very stressed out about that. So this is what I said. Now candlesticks are very essential, especially in the 1 minute. I use candlestick too to confirm entries. So this is what happened. Price went up into the zone, went down, and what? It broke the structure because this was a little retracement, broke, then it caused a choke. Now to me, I would have happily traded from here, but I wasn't paying attention. That's what I say in the market. You need to pay what? Close attention to the market. I wasn't paying attention. So I said I would have traded this zone right here. I would have been okay trading this zone. You can see price came, entered the zone. Sorry, perfectly put my 2.5 pip stop loss, and it will keep what? Dropping, and it kept dropping. See, it came back like it wants to take it out, but it didn't take it out, because that's why I said something about you closing price, saying okay, it has broken the structure. Now I will move my trade to break even. I don't do that. I don't move trade to break even, because price might go back, test a supply zone that it wants to trade off from, and because you break even that trade, it will just take you out. So I don't do that. I don't like doing that. That's why I said if I'm risking 1%, I'll wait for price to give me 2% profit, then I'll close 20% of my position, then let the rest run. If I'm using 0.5 lot, I'll wait price to give me 4% profit, then I'll close 20%. If it doesn't give me, if it gives me 3%, then wait back and take me out, I'm fine. That's my rule. So you have to stick to your rule. You have to be consistent in this market. So that was what happened, but I didn't take that trade. But when I saw what happened after it retraced, now it broke this structure right here. It broke this flip zone. Now, I know most of us are conversant to flip zone. It broke this flip zone. Now, why is this a flip zone? Now, observe what happened. After this zone was formed, it came up again, then broke, caused the choke. Now, you can see from here, that means there was powerful sell because look at the strength of this sell that caused this change of character. Now, price came into that zone. Now, sellers, there were sellers there waiting to sell down. But what happened to the price? Price sold off a little bit, then did what? Bought aggressively again. Then caused what? Took out this liquidity. It took out this high here. So this liquidity taking. So after it took that liquidity, what happened? It came down and it broke this low. Now, breaking this low now has confirmed that sellers are in the market because this was a flip zone. Normally, I'll be there looking to what? To buy from this zone, but because price was in the premium, I won't buy from the zone. So I was looking to sell. So as it broke this flip zone, I said, okay, now it means buyers and sellers are in the market now. So I was looking what zone caused this flip to fail. So it's this zone, this very zone right here, right? Now, the reason why I use, because this was a 3.5 pip stop loss. The reason why I use a 3.5 pip stop loss is because this the buy candle before the sell candle was already mitigated by these wicks. So normally if it wasn't mitigated, I would just use my 2.5 pip stop loss, put my loss above, or use a 5 pip stop loss. But since it was already mitigated, I said okay, price might want to just come grab it at liquidity and use a supply zone from top here. So now I wanted this high to be secured in case it took this one. As you can see, it took it. So I wanted this side to be secured, so I put my stop loss just above, and it gave me a 3.5 pip stop loss, and I was okay. And after the tap, it dropped down. So after when it was dropping, another flip zone formed right here. As you can see, this was the zone that took out this liquidity. So it's still strong to some extent. So price came into that zone. After price came into that zone, it went as if he want to form another high, but it failed to do his job. His job is to form another high, but it fails to do his job, so it dropped. So I was looking to what? Sell from this zone, but this zone is too big. So, and I just want to trade the 5 pips up, and this was the 5.5. So normally I won't take this trade, I'll just allow it. So it came back, tapped it, and it started selling again. So market structure is as easy as it can be. You just have to learn it, practice it over and over again, and you get it. So normally I've said this already. I'm closing the first trade because I've hit 5R. I've made my decision to close my trade. If it hits 5R, I'm using a fixed 5R. If it hits 5R, I'm closing. Hits 5R, I'm closing. That's what I'm doing. So it has hit 5R already, so I'll close this one. Normally that's what I'll be doing if I get my Profem account. So but I'll allow this one run for as long as possible, because if it hits here, it will be like over 10R. So that's the trade, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Please make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and so that you support me on my journey, so that when I'm there, we'll all celebrate together. Thank you very much for watching. My next video, as I said, I said on my next video I'll be I told Raptor, I said on my next video I'll be showing my 1 minute entry. I'll explain it bit by bit. My next video will just be about the 1 minute entry, so that you know how the 1 minute entry goes. So that's it. Thank you, guys. Peace out. And again, sorry, before I go, in case the trade moves more than this, I think um I'll be using the video of the trade, the picture of the trade, as my thumbnail, so you see how far this trade went. So stay tuned. Make sure you see the thumbnail, so you see how far the trade went. If it hits stop loss, then we'll just use this one as the thumbnail. But if it goes further, then we'll use it as our thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Please, guys, subscribe.